this all new electric pickup truck. Looks quite beautiful. 430 kilometers. All sunroof. Very nice. This is the future, I think.
Yeah.
China is light years in front of European car development with electric cars. Nice.
Which color you like? You like
ตอน
black
นี้อยากขึ้น
color?
แล้ว
It's for me the same. Color is not important. Which color do you like?
I think black color.
Black is kind of stealth.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice truck. Yeah.
She will show we can up more.
Yeah.
She will show right now.
Oh, she's gonna show. Yeah.
Yes. It's just like a start.
Oh, she works.
It's going to show out.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I can film her. I have a YouTube channel.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah, big. Hi,
Hi.
you're the
Trying to do the racing thing, but our door needs to be closed. So do you mind?
yeah, I'll come in. Yeah, I'll help you. Close the doors.
Yeah, thank you. We can stop now.
Yeah,
I
I'll
wanna
come
show
in.
you,
Yeah,
like the height this can go.
Yeah.
The
You're-
suspension height.
you're the Maxus representative, right?
Not yeah. I'm a product genius. Okay.
You can say hello to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
Bye bye. All the doors closed. Yeah. Come in. It's very beautiful. You guys like it? Yeah? That's a nice truck.
มัน430ไง
439 439 kilometers, yeah.
โอ้โหโอ้ย
Impressive vehicle, yeah. Look at that. Camera.
โอ้มันตั้งออโต้เลยนี่หว่า
Huh. Good, nah? Yeah, like, it's very
Inside refrigerator.
refrigerated. I don't know. Let's take a look.
โอ้
It looks like it, nah?
Oh no,
Refrigerator, yeah, inside, yeah.
ไม่มีถ้ามีก็จริง
Oh. I think that was good with oil crisis. Electric. It's refrigerated, yeah.
400กว่ากิโลเองอ่ะน่าจะ600อ่ะ
And all the plastics is all very solid. It's got nice aircon also. Wow. You guys don't mind being on a YouTube channel? It's okay? Yeah? You can say hello, hello, somebody come. Somebody come. Bye bye.
Say hi.
Hi, hi, hi. Ah, look at this. There is so much innovation in these Chinese vehicles. It doesn't have a normal grab handle, just like that. Opens up like that. It's got JBL sound. I'll give you guys some privacy. It's very nice. It's got a refrigerator, JBL sound. Wow. Look at these seats. Impressive. Good. Yeah, yeah. I like.
Like a European style,
Huh?
American style, I think.
A little bit American style, yeah. Yeah. But I think this is probably better quality than American style.
Interior also okay,
Yeah, interior looks nice, yeah.
but the material maybe or maybe not. We don't know.
Well,
Where is this okay for this price. It's okay.
What is the price?
The price of the car is
Yes.
not too much.
No? Oh yes, it's like 700,000 baht.
Yes.
Yes,
70,000.
20,000 euros.
Yes.
It's good price. Yeah, very beautiful truck, huh?
For big guy like you.
Yeah. Very nice.